Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I will show you how to fix Shopify TikTok not compatible. So, if you're getting the TikTok not compatible error on Shopify, don't worry. I'll walk through the exact steps to fix it and connect TikTok to your Shopify store. Let's dive in. So, step 1 is checking Shopify and TikTok region compatibility. So, TikTok's integration is not available in all countries. Make sure that TikTok is available in your country, and you may need to use a third-party workaround like VPN if applicable. Step 2 is ensuring that your TikTok business account is set up. Visit ads.tiktok.com, log into your TikTok business account, and if you only have a personal account, switch to a business account under settings, manage account, and verify your account by adding billing details in TikTok Business Center. Step 3 is enabling the TikTok sales channel in Shopify. Go to Shopify admin, navigate to settings, then navigate to apps and sales channels under this. Now click add sales channels and search TikTok. Now click add to follow the setup instructions, and if you get the compatible error, proceed to the next step. Now, next step is going to your browser settings by clicking on three-dotted icon at the top right, clicking on settings, navigating to privacy, search and services, scrolling down, clicking on choose what to clear, choosing cookies and other site data, and clicking on clear now. So try reconnecting to TikTok sales channels in incognito mode. Now, step 5 is ensuring that your Shopify theme and store meet TikTok's requirements. So you can use a compatible theme like Dawn Debut or other Shopify themes, and your store must not sell prohibited items like weapons, adult content, or financial services, etc. Now, your Shopify plan must allow a third-party sales channels, that is basic plan or higher. Also, you can install TikTok Pixel Helper, that is Chrome extension. You can visit your store and check for pixel errors, and if missing, manually add your TikTok Pixel ID in Shopify admin, navigating to preferences, and under customer events, you can easily add it. Now, if nothing works, contact Shopify support and TikTok for business support to check for account restrictions. And that's it. Now you should be able to connect TikTok with Shopify. If this video helped, like and subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. See you in the next one.